Hi guys, welcome to the next video of our series Tech Bytes. In this video, we are going to see how to install Jupyter Notebook for writing our machine learning code to implement the models or algorithms. So let's get started. Jupyter Notebook is a web application that allows to create and share documents that contains live code visualizations and narrative text. Jupyter supports over 40 programming languages including Python, R, Julia and Scala. Even the name Jupyter itself is derived from the combination of Julia, Python and R. To install Jupyter Notebook, the requirement is to have Python pre-installed in the system. Now, there are few ways to install Jupyter Notebook in the official website of Jupyter. It is strongly recommended installing Python and Jupyter using Anaconda distribution. One can also install Jupyter using pip command through terminal. In this series, we will be going to install Anaconda Navigator, which is a desktop graphical user interface included in Anaconda. In this video, I'll be showing the installation process for Linux operating system. So don't worry if you are Mac or Windows user. I'll be providing the link for the official documentation where you can find the installation process for your particular operating system in the description box. Okay, so let's start by opening the terminal. So here, now to use GUI packages of Anaconda Navigator, we need to install some of the dependencies, or we can say libraries. So here I have already copied those libraries, so I need to paste them here. So now so I have already installed it previously. So after this, we have to download the Anaconda installer for Linux. So here is Anaconda installer. For Python 3.7 version, there is different installer, and for Python 2.7 version it's different. So whatever you prefer, you can choose from both of these. So I'll go with Python 3.7 version. So now I'm going to download this, and after it will take few minutes to download. So okay, so it's downloading. So now my installer has got downloaded. So I have to find where actually it is. Okay, so here is my installer. Now I have to copy the name of my installer so that I can execute this file in the terminal. Okay, so now I have to write the command bash, and now I have to give the path where my file is located, my installer is located. So you can write wherever you have your installer. So now I have to paste. Okay, so I need to press enter now. Oops. So what is the, okay, so my mistake, I need to put the slash here. So now, okay, so this is an agreement. You can read out this. To expand or to move further, we have to put enter here. Many of the times you can read if you want to. Okay, so yes, okay, yes. So now if you want to accept this license, you have to write yes. So yes, I want to. So yes. Now to confirm the location of the Anaconda 3 folder, okay, so I'll go with that only. So I'll press enter. So now it will take some time to get installed, or it will give some prompts and ask some questions from us. So it's first getting downloaded and installing some files. Okay, so we have got a prompt that is saying, do you wish the installer to initialize Anaconda 3 by running Conda in it? So I would suggest you to press yes for this. Okay. Okay, so now installation has been completed. Let's close and open our terminal window for the installation to take effect. So let's close this. After opening the terminal, we need to enter a command that is source dot bash rc. So you can see that it will activate a base environment that is somewhat like a virtual environment that is created by Conda itself. So if we disable this or set it false, like we want to deactivate this base environment, we need to type a command that is conda config set auto activate base false. Okay, so now if we deactivate this environment and activate it again by typing source bash rc, so here you can see that the base in front of our username is not coming. So for now I don't want to do this, so I will change it to true, and again after conda deactivate I will run this. Okay, so now we want to verify if the installation is correct or not. So we will run Anaconda Navigator and press enter and see if it gets started or not. Okay, so it's initializing and loading applications. Hopefully, yes, so hopefully we did it. So now you can see that here we have different applications that are somewhat similar to Jupyter Notebook. We have Spider and VS Code, Orange 3, and even the R Studio that we can install. Okay, so now we will launch Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so it's starting at localhost 8888. So yes, we can see our notebook is now getting opened. Here we can see that as we have opened the Jupyter Notebook at root folders, so root directory you can say, so we are able to see all the files we have on the root directory. So you can see from here we can start our Python notebook. Even you have other options, that is text file, where you can create a text file and a folder, and even a terminal that allows you to start Python session. Okay, so now we will start Python 3 notebook. It will automatically get started in other tab. Okay, so here, so let's write some simple code of Python that prints welcome to ML series, and let's run it. Okay, it's cool. Our code is working. Yay, we are successful. Okay, so you can see that this Jupyter file can be saved like Python codes, so it gets saved. So if you see here, okay, so here you can see our file is running in another tab. So we are now able to launch the Jupyter Notebook using Anaconda distribution. In next video, we will go through the basic concepts of Python and write some code in our newly installed Jupyter Notebook. Thank you for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and keep coding.